Look at this 2009 Toyota Tacoma. Carfax has certified this Tacoma as having one owner. This Tacoma has just under 31,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 17 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 22 on the highway. This Tacoma boasts a 2.7-liter inline-4 engine, and has a 5-speed manual transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, auxiliary audio input, air conditioning, passenger airbag and side curtain airbags. Call 888-658-4271 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.